Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine, guys. And what's common between those is the same engine, same transmission, same drivetrain, guys. And we'll explain where the map sensor is located in case you need to remove, replace it, and how to get to it. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain what we need to do. We need to go ahead and open the hood. The only thing that we have removed here, guys, so we can show you a little bit clearly, is the hoses going from the intake from here to the air filter box, and the one from the air filter box to the throttle body. It's these two hoses. Let me show you now. They will be attached like that. So we have it removed, but you don't need to remove it. Okay, you can see. Oh, I just dropped one of the bolts. And then we have, guys, okay, the one more right here, because we'll be cleaning the throttle body because it's a little bit dirty on the inside. But other than that, guys, that's your intake manifold now. Okay, perfect. The bolt fell on the bottom. This is your intake manifold right here. Now, don't confuse that sensor with the map sensor. This is not a map sensor, guys, okay? This is not a map sensor. The map sensor is actually hidden. It's with one bolt. And now it's so hard to get to, guys, okay, that in some cases you may need to remove the intake manifold to get to that sensor, okay, or the other way will be, okay, to remove the radiator fan, but this one will be not so easy too. So in my opinion, guys, okay, probably, okay, if you cannot reach it, okay, you will need to remove the intake manifold, but I believe you still can. Okay, let me just position that camera here now, the endoscope. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead, okay, go right there. Check it out now. Okay, let's turn the camera towards me a little bit so it doesn't have reflection. Perfect. And if I come right there between cylinder 1 and 2, and that right here, guys, this is your map sensor, guys. This one right there. Okay, you can see this is the map sensor. Okay, this is the number on it, guys. Okay, and the only thing that it has now that holds it, okay, is practically, okay, one bolt that I'm trying to reach, okay, with reverse Torx socket. This is a reverse Torx. Oh no, that's a Torx, regular Torx socket right there, like the star looking one. You can see this is the only thing, guys, okay, holding that, okay, map sensor in place. Very inconvenient place, right? You can see how inconvenient it is, but it's doable, guys. Now, if you want to see how to test map sensor, we'll be making the video on this channel, so please check it out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.